Fatin Najwa.
Hi, I'm Murni.
So, our group will demonstrate on how the diffusion process look like. In this demo, we are going to present you 3 demonstrations, which are first, gummy bear diffusion, second, diffusion through colloid, and third, color aid. But before that, we would like to explain about the theory behind our demonstration that we're going to explain later. So, let's watch the video.
All molecules are in constant motion unless at absolute zero. The motion is random, with molecules moving in straight lines until they encounter other molecules. The net result of this process is diffusion, the movement of a substance from an area where it is in high concentration to an area where it is in low concentration. When drops of dye are added to a beaker of water, the drops are areas of high concentration of dye molecules. They will eventually be evenly distributed among the water molecules, and although all the molecules continue to be in motion, no further change will be observed.
Okay, for this simple demo, what we need are salt, container, 2 glasses of water, and the most important things are the gummy candies. Okay, this is how the gummy candies looks like, and here we'll choose to use this one other than this one because this is too small and it's difficult for us to see the difference later.
Gummy bears do some interesting things when put into different liquids. So now we wanted to find out what would happen when we put gummy bears into water and salt water. So now, firstly we need salt. Dissolve some salt into water. Okay. And after that, pour it into container. And put the gummy bears inside the salt water. So next, pour water inside the container. Okay. Then put inside the gummy candy. And we have to wait for several hours so to let the water diffuse into the gummy candy. So here is the result. As you can see, the gummy candies in the tap water has expanded as water moved by diffusion through the candy's semi-permeable membrane. However, the gummy candies inside the salt water shrink as the concentration of water in the candies is lower compared to salt water. So, what we need in this simple demo is gelatin, food colouring. You can use any colour that you like, but for us, we use green, yellow, red, and pink. We need straw, water, and container.
This is how we dissolve the gelatin. Firstly, we need to dissolve the gelatin by using double boiling. Okay, we have to stir it slowly so that it can dissolve faster. This cooking process takes about 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, this is how the gelatin looks like. And it's so easy, you can try this at home. Then put the container into the refrigerator and let it harden for several hours. By using a straw, poke some holes in the gelatin and remove the plug. After being left in the fridge for a few hours, ta-da! This is how the gelatin will looks like.
hard-boiled egg if it's being soaked into different food dyes. So, in this experiment, you will need eggs and then second food dyes, which I have already diluted with water in these glasses, and then water, and last but not least, glass. In the glass with water, and then drop a few drops of food dyes such as yellow, green, red, and pink into 4 different glasses. Put in the hard-boiled egg into the glass, and we need to wait for days to allow a few days to penetrate. These are the results. An eggshell is permitted by 7,000 to 17,000 pores with a diameter of 10 to 60 micrometer. And therefore, the dyes can diffuse into eggshell. However, it takes longer time so that the color will become clearer.